festival dedicated to fire and the sun god. This harvest festival is observed to ward off the biting cold of the month January by lighting bonfires, dancing around it in a mood of bonhomie. One can correlate fire with the concept of life and health. It is a symbol of transformation and regeneration. May the warmth of this festival spread joy, happiness, peace, and prosperity in our life. Awesome morning to all. Today's morning assembly is being conducted by the students of Ashoka House, and the theme of our assembly is Lohri. Let's begin our assembly with a short prayer.
Join your hands, close your eyes, and start the morning prayer. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime, serve Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him, thank Him, thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him when the sun goes down.
The thought of the day is festivals in India don't reflect religion. They teach us to rise above despite odd conditions with new aspirations and hopes.
The word of the day is fervor. It spells as fervor. Its meaning is intense and passionate feeling. Its usage sentence is, during our national festivals, patriotic fervor is always all-time high, and we remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters.
Lohri is a festival full of energy and happiness, which is considered to be the new beginning of life, with warmth and love. This festival is mainly related to harvesting of rabi crops, especially sugarcane. It is celebrated on January 13 each year in northern parts of India. On the night of Lohri, people wear new clothes and gather around the bonfire, sing and dance in joy. They exchange greetings, gifts, and offer peanuts and popcorns to the fire. Charity is also done.
The festival of Lohri marks the end of winter and coming of spring. The gathering and celebration make it a community festival. This festival unites everyone and makes every heart fill with hope and happiness. Lohri shows religiousness of the people as they pray to God for a good harvest and their attachment to nature. I want to conclude by saying that may this festival of zeal and divine grace fill our life with lots of energy and enthusiasm, and may it help us to bring happiness and prosperity to us and our loved ones. Let us kill the negativity of our life in the bonfire of Lohri. A very happy Lohri to all.
I promise that I will take precautions to stop coronavirus. I will always wear a mask and maintain distancing of 2 meters and wash hands with soap regularly. Together we can stop coronavirus.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे